Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little explanation of forces. Okay, so the first thing that we have to know is that a force is either a push or a pull. Okay, and one of the major forces that we deal with every day is gravity. So gravity is the force of attraction between all objects. Okay, so the force of gravity is a downwards force. There's also an applied force, and that is going upwards, and that is everything that is trying to sustain its position. So, for example, this. Okay, so the force of gravity is going down on this. Now I'm holding it, so this is an applied force, so I'm keeping it there. But if it was on the ground, then the force against gravity would be going upwards. Okay, and gravity acts differently on objects with different masses. So if I have this brick, okay, and it's a lot heavier than this, and I drop them both, okay, at the same time, gravity is going to act differently on the object with the less amount of mass. All forces have two things to remember. They have magnitude, which is the strength of a push or pull, and direction. I'm going to show you some examples of magnitude and direction now using my giant Jenga. Okay, so I have my giant Jenga, okay, right here. It's just a very large version of the regular game. Okay, so if I wanted to demonstrate different magnitudes of force, it would be this versus this. Okay, so you can see that the strength of my push force changed how far the actual blocks moved. Okay, and now we have direction. So depending on where I put my finger on this block, it's going to direct my block. So I'm just going to put it as close to the middle as I can, and I'm going to push it. Okay, and it goes straight back. If I were to say, push it from this side, you can see that it's not going straight anymore. It's changing its angle. This is called plane of application, and we will learn it later. Okay, let's recap. We have learned a couple new words. First of all, forces, not the Force from Star Wars. Okay, so a force is either a push or a pull. Gravity is the force of attraction between all objects. An applied force is in the opposite direction as gravity, and it involves the objects we're talking about. Magnitude is the strength of any force, and the direction, which is obvious, is just the direction in which the force is being pushed or pulled. Now I'm going to give you a slideshow on the other part of this section.